Hello everyone! As you know, as Sicilians, we love sharing places that reveal the soul of our beloved island. Villa Giulia in Palermo is one of them. At first glance, it's just a beautiful garden, but look closer and you'll discover a place full of stories. Walking among exotic trees and colorful flowers from around the world, we watched our little Mimo explore this magical place with curiosity and wonder. Some places have the power to inspire everyone, from the youngest visitors to the oldest. Villa Giulia is much more than a garden. Hidden among the trees stands the genius of Palermo, the city's ancient garden. More than a statue, it represents Palermo itself, its resilience, wisdom and ability to be reborn. An inscription found on one of Palermo's 7 ancient genius statues says that the city is harsh with their own children, but generous to strangers. For us, the most beautiful part of this message is Palermo's generosity toward those who come from afar. As locals, welcoming travelers is not only work. It's a part of who we are, and that's why we love sharing places like this with you. Many scholars believe Villa Giulia was also designed as a symbolic journey, a path from ignorance to knowledge, inspired by the Enlightenment ideals. Whether you come for its beauty, its hidden meanings, or simply to slow down, Villa Giulia invites you to look behind what first meets the eye. We hope you enjoyed discovering Villa Giulia with us. And please follow us if you wish to uncover other beautiful, authentic, hidden places in Sicily. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!